Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple pasta salad. Anything goes kind of thing. So we've got lovely vegetables in there. Tomatoes, onions, corn, peppers. You can be adding what you like. Got some nice olives in there. I've got some beautiful mozzarella. You could be using feta or cheddar cheese or something like that. I've also got some kind of salami or pepperoni in there. Crispy bacon, ham, anything goes. Really nice. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at this salad we're going to make. So I've got some pasta there. You can be using any type of pasta, of course you want. I've got some white beans, that's from a can. Using from a can, always give them a nice wash in some water. Tomatoes, I've got some green and black olives. I've got some lovely mozzarella there, or you could be using like a feta if you wanted. Cucumber, some bell peppers, a little bit of onion, sweet corn. Here I've got some salami. You can be using salami, ham, pepperoni, whatever you want. Mayonnaise, some fresh parsley. We're going to just hit this with a little tiny bit of salt and some black pepper. Super easy. So it couldn't be easier. Large mixing bowl. As you can see, I've got my pasta in there. Let's get some cucumber, onion, some sweet corn, a salami, pepperoni, ham, or whatever you want, some kind of meat in there. Tomatoes, those white beans. Think about other beans, red beans, aduki beans, so many types. A little bit of fresh parsley. We've got those olives in there, some bell peppers, nice bit of colour there, green and red. And like I said, I've got this lovely mozzarella. In that goes, nice and chopped. I mean, if you don't have that, like I say, think about feta, even some cubed cheddar cheese, whatever you like. Let's hit this with some black pepper. And then I'm going to put my mayonnaise in. Now this mayonnaise has actually got a bit of lemon in it. It's a lemon mayo. If you wanted, you could be using a regular mayo, squeezing a bit of lemon in there. One last thing, a little bit of salt in the mix to taste. We're going to give that a mix. Okay, there you go, super easy. Add what you like in and out, some different vegetables, some different beans. That's it, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.